Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to check does your POCO F8 Pro supports eSIM. Okay, first we need to find out what is our IMEI number. Open up phone app, then keypad, and type asterisk hashtag 06 and hashtag. Now we need to type our IMEI number right in here on IMEI.info page, and now click on check IMEI. Okay, now keep scrolling down until you find the basic checks and click on eSIM compatibility check. Now click on check eSIM compatibility, and we have our answer that this device supports eSIM. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.